Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to combine to-do tasks and tags in Microsoft OneNote. This is a powerful way to organize your notes by assigning multiple categories or priorities to a single task, making it easier to track and filter your work later on. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, you'll need to access the tagging features that OneNote provides. To do this, head to your Home tab located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menu are located. Click on Home to reveal additional tools and options that you'll need for combining tasks and tags. Now, here's where the process becomes pretty straightforward. Click on the Tags drop-down menu. This will show you all the available tag options that OneNote offers. First, add in your to-do tag by selecting it from the list. This creates a checkbox next to your note or task, marking it as an actionable item. But here's the key part. You're not limited to just one tag per item. To combine multiple tags with your to-do task, simply open the Tags drop-down again and select the second tag you wish to add. You can add as many tags as you need by highlighting your to-do task and selecting tags from the drop-down one by one. Each time you select a new tag, it will add to the existing ones, allowing you to layer different categories or priorities onto the same task. This makes it incredibly easy to organize complex projects where a single task might need multiple labels, like urgent, important, or specific to a certain project category. This approach gives you much more flexibility in how you manage your notes and ensures that when you're searching or filtering later, you can find exactly what you need based on any of the tags you've assigned. And that's it. You've now set up your tasks with multiple tags in Microsoft OneNote, making your workflow more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.